Welcome to another episode of Small Business Briefing, where we talk to several small business owners and ask them questions that, frankly, you, the people that have been watching our show, have been sending to us saying, I wonder about. And today we have the distinct privilege of working with the attorneys at Shapiro Delgado, Get Me Justice. Shapiro Delgado Get Me Justice are in Sarasota, Palmetto, Bradenton, and St. Petersburg, Florida. And together they have a combined 100 years of experience and have collected well over $100 million in personal injury lawsuits. Today I'd like to lead with Jim. Jim, by the way, served our country in the United States Air Force, which we thank him very much for. And he's also very active in the Sarasota and Bradenton communities. Jim, our first question to you is, does everyone need an attorney that was involved in a traffic accident? Would really appreciate your feedback on that.
That's a really good question, and I get asked that a lot. Does everybody need an attorney after having an accident? It's not just a yes or a no. What everybody needs after an accident is advice from an attorney. You base these claims on injuries, serious injuries, losses, damages, but you really never know what your loss is going to be or what your damage is going to be until after. It's not uncommon for somebody to have an accident and they feel no pain. The adrenaline kicks in. You're worried about your car. You're more worried about, I have to pick up my little daughter from soccer practice, my boy from band practice. And the last thing you're thinking about is, my neck hurts or my back hurts. All you know is you have someplace to go. Somebody just made that impossible for you to get there, and you have to deal with insurance companies. So what I always tell people is, do you need an attorney after every accident? I don't know, but here's what you do need after every accident. You need advice from an attorney after every accident. I always tell people, what's it cost you? It costs you nothing. The consultations are free. You come on in, I'll give you an hour of my time, you go through it, and then you decide if you need an attorney or not.
Okay, so it appears that we don't necessarily have to have an attorney, but we should certainly consult with one because the consultation is free and the insurance companies are not necessarily working in our best interest. Thank you, Jim. I appreciate your time on that.